Hello, I'm Regina Koshach Gestrech and Valley. Ach, Shala, Guma, Fluchahan. It's so wet and windy that they've even cancelled the Christmas village today. So, yeah. Ach, have I make a ball strach and Valley? Have I make a mechanic present in? I really have to buy some Christmas presents. I'm leaving it so late. So, come with me into town in Aberdeen on this gorgeous wet and windy day. Buna go seo ag an dáda san an bú agus hena pecin sa dhéicne agus bhuaigh me mascara out. I got a new mascara from number 7. It says just to go into the store and picked up, which is where I am now. So I'm going to do that. That's really exciting. And I didn't actually know that they had any. I'm just wondering, right? I didn't know that they had an advent on its day 7. It's only on for 12 days, so I feel like I've really missed out. I tried to redeem my mascara and Harokala, they didn't have any dotted, but it is mid-afternoon, so it's my fault. Now I'm going into Pineland to try and find some of these gravy bones that Brocken loves because he is obsessed. Thank you! Has sin díreach is stathered san bíag agus Cynneal an teachta san amach when we find buccaneers agus chips. So as sin díreach is here. We're just sitting in the corner because it is so busy with everybody booking Christmas parties and whatnot. So it's really difficult to get a seat anywhere. So we are in the Montfort, sitting in the corner with my little portion of fish couchons because I'm not that hungry.